Terrific delivery. Looks like it was going to swing away and it just...
Yeah, straight in the air. This is a catching opportunity. Under it, and it's gone. Misbar Al-Haq at first, slippy turn, and got into position very quickly. And there's an X2, Marcus Northcote. Pakistan have their moment, will they?
To the air, it's out, it's put the smile on Mohammad Asif's face. That's 4 for him, and another big one for Pakistan.
Yes!
Yes, this is superb bowling. Just watch that seam up. And once again the ball nipping back and through the gates.
That's out. That's the end of Mitchell Johnson's innings. 9 down the Australians, and the very real possibility of Pakistan having a bat this evening now looms. Ball in hand. Tremendous achievement.